So the reason the vehicle is in the shop again is that we are currently waiting on Z Therapy to get to the carburetors to rebuild them. They've had about a 7-month backlog at this time. And so what we found out is that even though our mechanic rebuilt the carburetors, the secondary carburetor would not hold the synchronization, which means basically the threads and things were stripped out, were not holding the adjustment. So as soon as Z Therapy can get to these, and I believe March of next year, we're gonna get back together and we'll be back on the road. After 7 months of waiting, actually I think we're up to 9 months now, of waiting for Z Therapy to get to us on their list to have the new, I should say rebuilt, complete carburetor setup. We finally have it done. Our mechanic installed it a couple weeks ago, and now this thing runs like a top. So as you can see here, they polish, clean, burnish everything, and it looks probably better than the factory did back in the day. So this is really exciting as this vehicle is coming to a close after about a 2-year restoration. We're just down to finishing getting it detailed, a light polish on it, wrapping up the interior. So hopefully here within the next couple of months, you guys will be able to see the finished product of this from start to finish. So stay tuned. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel so you can follow us on our journey with all these unique, amazing vehicles that we're working on. Thanks for watching.